Hello viewers, welcome to Peniremit tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fund your wallet, transfer funds and pay bills with Peniremit using USDC or USDT on Base network. But before we begin, please ensure that your Peniremit app is updated to the latest version. Android users can update the app via the Google Play Store, while iPhone users can download the latest version from the App Store. Now let's open our Peniremit. Let's start by funding our wallet. From the home screen, tap on Fund Wallet. At the moment, Peniremit only supports the following assets: Wikicat on Binance Smart Chain, Stable Naira on Binance Smart Chain, USDT on Base and Binance Smart Chain, and USDC on Base and Binance Smart Chain. For this demonstration, we'll be funding our wallet with USDC on Base network. So I'll just tap on USDC, then select Base. Tap on I understand. Now, the next is to choose your preferred funding method. Peniremit currently supports 3 funding methods: scanning the QR code, using a wallet address, or receiving funds via username from another Peniremit user. In this tutorial, we will use the wallet address method. So just copy your wallet address, then proceed to the exchange or wallet you'll be sending funds from. This can be any supported centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. For this example, I'll be sending funds from my Binance account. Now let's head to Binance. So I'll tap on it. So I'll just tap on send. On chain withdrawal, select the coin. Paste the address we copied. Select the network, don't forget we are using Base. Now input the amount you'll be using maximum, then tap on withdraw. Confirm. Verify. Now, once the transfer is successful, return to Peniremit. Now you need to refresh your balance. As you can see, the USDC on Base has been credited successfully. Our wallet has now been funded. This same process applies when funding your wallet with USDT on the Base network. Now let's learn how to transfer funds using a username. Please note that username transfers are only available between Peniremit users. To begin, tap on transfer, then switch to Peniremit user, enter the recipient username, then wait for Peniremit to verify the account. Once verified, tap on next. Now enter the amount you wish to send. The amount is currently in Naira. To change this, just tap on the drop down icon, then choose USDT or USDC. Let's leave it like this. Now, center the amount, let's use 2000. The next is to select the token you want to transfer. Then optionally add a remark. Then tap on continue. So the transaction is successful. The recipient will receive the funds within a few seconds. You can tap on view details to see your transaction details. Let's head back. Now, Peniremit is not limited to transfers between users. You can also send funds directly from your wallet to a bank account. Let's see how it works. Tap transfer, then enter the recipient's account number. Next is tap the drop down icon. Search for the bank, Zenith Bank. Tap on it. Once the account details are verified and the account name appears, tap on next. Now enter the amount you would like to send. Let's send 2000. Now select the token you want to send from. You can tap on change to view other options. Now let's go back. We'll be using USDC on Base network. Now tap on confirm. So here is your transaction details. Just tap on continue. So the transaction is successful. Now let's go back. Now let's use our USDC on Base to purchase airtime. Tap on Pay Bill. Currently, Peniremit supports airtime and data purchases only. Electricity bill and cable TV subscriptions will be added in future updates. To buy airtime, tap on Buy Airtime. Now input your phone number. Now select your amount. Then select the token you want to pay with. We are paying with USDC on Base network. Then tap on Continue. You can see your transaction details. Just tap on Continue. Authorize. So the transaction took just a few seconds. So fast. Now just tap on View Details to see your transaction history. Now let's go back. So that's it. We have successfully covered on how to fund your wallet, how to transfer funds to other users, send money to bank account, and purchase airtime using Peniremit. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Our team will be available to assist you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on latest tutorial and educational content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.